Dye pipe cleaner sunflower. Grab your chenille stems first. Yellow, brown, and green needed. Cut yellow stems to size. Separate colors carefully now. Yellow petals cut short. Green stems for the leaves. Curl yellow pieces gently. Shape each petal perfectly. Wrap brown pipe cleaner tightly. Coil into flower center shape. Twist and secure the coil, forming sunflower brown center. Press coil flat and round. Sunflower center nearly complete. Attach yellow petals with glue. Glue petal to flower center. Add yellow chenille petal. Shaping sunflower petals carefully. Press petals into position. Attach next chenille petal. Building sunflower layer by layer. Press firmly to secure. Sunflower shape complete. Beautiful chenille sunflower ready. Green leaves nearby. Shaping green chenille leaves. Apply hot glue carefully. Gluing leaf pieces together. Multiple leaf shapes ready. Assembling chenille leaf base. Layering green leaves together. Green leaf assembly complete. Insert wire through flower center. Thread wire carefully through layers. Apply hot glue to back. Press flower onto glue firmly. Hold until glue sets. Wrap the wire with brown tape. Sunflower shape taking form. Orange petals with brown center. Sunflower craft complete. Share your creations below. Like, subscribe, try it.